What is up YouTube, Nas Rocks here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get free in-app purchases on any jailbroken device running iOS 13 and above. Before we get started, this mainly works on games that aren't server-side, so for example, a game that doesn't require you to sign into a server. You also want to make sure that your device is in a jailbroken state. Now if you're ready and you want to get unlimited everything for some of your favorite games, let's open up Cydia. Wait for it to load up and reload the data. Let's go into the Sources tab, tap Edit, then Add, and you'll be adding this repo. Make sure you type it in just like you see it on your screen, tap Add Source, and if you didn't get it, I'll have it down below in the description. Once you're done, select the repo, then All Packages, and we're going to choose Local IPA Store. I already have it installed, so on your device, tap Install, then confirm and wait for it to finish installing. Now that it's done, unlock your device, and before you start using it, we'll need to go into the settings, scroll all the way down until you see the local IPA store tab, select it, and you'll need to enable the tweak by toggling it on. Let's back out, and as I mentioned before, it's not going to work with all the applications you have, but I'll put a few down below and you guys can let me know what games it worked for you in the comments. So if you have Subway Surfers, open up the application, give it some time to load. Let's go into the shop, and here you can select anything you want. I'll select this package, let it connect. When you're prompted, tap cancel and pay attention to the coins at the top. I'll grab something else. Select it, tap cancel, wait a second, and you'll see that it was applied. So let me know what you think about the Cydia tweak down below, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. This is Nas Rocks. Peace.